All right, so contestants ready to go? Or don't go, but actually ready to play? Sure. All right, and you all have writing utensils and paper and ice water and name tags, all right, so that's good. And so as we say in the math game show industry, prepárense para resolver.
All right.
And here it is in English. All right, and so the first question, this is the real thing now, believe it or not. The first derivative test, A, helps classify critical points as minima, maxima, or neither. Generally gets rid of about 1/3 of the class. Is one chapter after the 0th derivative test. Or D is one of the evils that flew out of Pandora's box. It's time for, we'll see how question 1 went. Yay. Excellent, everyone got it right, very good. So you all have 100 points. It does help classify critical points as minima, maxima, or neither. Very good. Question 2 now for 200 points. What is the ones or units digit of 2013 to the 2013th power? Is it 1, 3, 7, or 9? We'll see what this correct answer is. Ooh, it did turn out to be 3. 3 people got it right. Who got it right? All right, Francis. And so Francis, did you change close to the end or not? No. And so you stuck with 3 all along? And how'd you know it was 3? Did you multiply it all out, or how'd you do it?
I use modulus.
You what?
Modulus.
You use modulo?
Yeah.
Do you have a prescription for that? So modulo mean like looking at remainders?
Yeah, modulus and just sort of saw pattern.
Right. And so the powers of 3, like 3 of the first ends in 3, 3 of the second ends in 9, and then 7, and then 1, and then it turns out that 2013 as a remainder of 1 when you divide it by 4. And so it's a cycle of 4, and so that would bring you back to 3 of the first. Yes, very good. Thank you for the explanation, Francis. And now we'll go to question 3. How many 10-letter words can be made from the letters in San Antonio? So disregard the space there and the capitalization. And words, these don't necessarily have to be words in the dictionary, they're like strings of letters. So how many different ones could you make from the letters in San Antonio? And then for some people that don't understand the symbolism in there, that thing in the numerator, that's 10! Factorial over 24, and then B is 10 factorial over 12, C is 10 factorial over 3, and D is 10 factorial. Everyone understand the question? Don't understand why the MC is screaming at you, but as I said, it's worth 300 points and you have 45 seconds. All right, we'll see how question 3 went for 300 points. 4 people got it right. It was 10 factorial over 24. Who got that one right? So Sherilyn, how did you get that?
It's a repeated permutation, so it's just the number of letters factorial over each repeated letter factorial. So there are 3 N's, 2 O's, and 2 A's. So
right. So you have 10, the number of letters, that's the factorial, and then 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Very good, and it's worth a fist bump apparently. Nice going, 4 of you figuring that out. And then at roughly the halfway point, I think it's after question 4, you'll see the total scores, and then you'll see them every question after that. So congratulations, 4 of you getting that right.